Hello, parents. I just wanted to make a brief video here and talk to you about what we're learning in math, which is equivalent fractions. We have learned several ways to figure out how fractions are equivalent, and one of them is by using an area model. Now, what you see on the screen here, just a regular old rectangle, this drawing is called an area model. So let's say that this rectangle was cut in half and one piece of it was shaded in. So we would say that 1/2 of this shape is shaded in. Now, if we want to find an equivalent fraction, then what we would do with our area model is cut each piece in half again, or in thirds, or in fourths. And so now we look and see how many pieces we have all together. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. And how many pieces are shaded in? 1, 2. Now, what I tell the kids is, did we shade in any more area? No, we didn't. Did we erase any of our shading? No, we didn't. All we did was cut our pieces into smaller pieces. So 1/2 is equivalent to 2/4. So that is one way that we could figure out equivalent fractions. If we wanted to keep going with that and figure out another equivalent fraction, we could keep cutting our pieces in half and find out even more. That is called the area model. The next one I'm going to show you is the multiplication model. And let's say we have the fraction 2/6. If I want to find a fraction that is equivalent to 2/6, all I have to do is multiply the top, which is the numerator, and the bottom, which is the denominator, by the same number. So let's say we multiply them both by 3. So 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. So 2/6 and 6/18 are equivalent fractions. And let's change again a little bit here. And let's say they gave us two fractions, and we're supposed to figure out if they are equivalent or not. Let's say they gave us 3/6 and 9/12. And the method we use here to figure out if these fractions are equivalent is called the butterfly method. And what we would do is we would diagonally multiply these numbers together. 6 times 9 is 54. And then multiply your other diagonals. 3 times 12 is 36. These two numbers are not the same, so this is not an equivalent fraction. Let's say they give us 8/10 and 4/5, and they're asking us if that is equivalent. Well, we do the butterfly method. 10 times 4 is 40. 8 times 5 is 40. So yes, 8/10 and 4/5 are equivalent fractions. Those are just 3 of the ways we have learned to find equivalent fractions in our unit so far. I thought I would share them with you in case you're wanting to talk about it at home at all. Thank you.